Welcome to Lesson 1. In this lesson, you will learn the names of the letters in the Spanish alphabet and how to pronounce them, as well as some important things about pronouncing certain types of words. First, let's practice the Spanish alphabet. There are 28 letters in the Spanish alphabet. The letter W, is not a letter that occurs in native Spanish words. When you use a dictionary, you'll want to remember that the letter Elle, written as LL, is alphabetized separately and after Elle, written as a single L. Also, in some dictionaries, the letter Che, written CH, is alphabetized as two separate letters, but in most dictionaries, especially older ones, Che is considered one letter, alphabetized between C and D. Okay, now let's repeat the names of the Spanish letters and some words that feature them. You will hear a pause after each word and letter. That's your chance to repeat what you hear. Each word will then be translated into English. The English letter A is called A. Ave. Ave, bird. The English letter B is called B, or sometimes B grande. Baño. Baño, bath or bathroom. The English letter C is called C. Casa. Casa, house. The English letters CH are called Che. Shampoo. Shampoo, shampoo. The English letter D is called De. Dama. Dama, lady. The English letter E is called E. Edad. Edad, age. The English letter F is called F. Fecha. Fecha, date, as in calendar date. The English letter G is called G. Gafas. Gafas, glasses. The English letter H is called H. Helado. Helado, ice cream. The English letter I is called I. Idea. Idea, idea. The English letter J is called Jota. Jabón. Jabón, soap. The English letter K is called Ka. Kilómetro. Kilómetro, kilometer. The metric system is generally used in most Spanish-speaking countries. The English letter L is called L. Lago. Lago, lake. The English letters LL are called Elle. Llave. Llave, key. The English letter M is called M. Mesa. Mesa, table. The English letter N is called N. Nada. Nada, nothing. The English letter N, written with a tilde or wavy line on top, is called Enye. Ñame. Ñame, yam. The English letter O is called O. Ojo. Ojo, eye. The English letter P is called P. Plato. Plato, plate. The English letter Q is called Q. Queso. Queso, cheese. The English letter R is called ere. Rio. Rio, river. The English letter S is called ese. Sal. Sal, salt. The English letter T is called te. Todo. Todo, everything. The English letter U is called U. Uva. Uva, grape. The English letter V is called B or B chica. B chica is used to differentiate B from B grande. Vista. Vista, view. The English letter X is called X. Very few Spanish words begin with X. It occurs within many words, such as taxi. The English letter Y is called Y. Yema. Yema, egg yolk. The English letter Z is called zeta. Zapato. Zapato, shoe. Now repeat the names of the letters once more. A, B, C, Ch, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, E, M, N, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, Y, Z.